Karma guy here. If you're looking for performance and luxury, check out this 2018 Cadillac CTS. With only 56,000 miles, this sleek sedan commands the road with style and comfort. This CTS has a complete dealer service history and has passed the current GA emissions test. It's dealer certified pre-owned, backed by a 3-month or 3,000-mile quality plus warranty, and comes with an optional 5-year maintenance plan at a discounted price. You can also ask about our lifetime warranty upgrade. At Karma, transparency is key. We've included recent computer scans in the photos, showing the clean record across all 8 monitors and over 5,000 miles of trouble-free performance. No warning lights and ready to go. Experience the Cadillac standard in the CTS. Contact us today to take the next step in securing this incredible vehicle.